Good afternoon, my dear students, as well as my viewers. Today I am going to discuss about the differentiation by the help of first principle. Last class already I have done. Differentiate the following function using first principle. There are number one, 7 questions are there. I have copied here. First question given x. Let me solve first one. After that we will go second one. The first question given x, you have to always write f of x, means the given function, that is y is equal to f of x is equal to x. It is given and you have to find out derivative, means dy by dx. Okay. Therefore, last one I have done dy by dx is equal to how much? Limit, just to see, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula required for first principle to find derivative. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h will be how much? That means this will be only x plus h minus f of h, that is nothing but x by h. Now this x will be cancelled, h by h, how much you are getting? Limit h tends to 0, h by h, that is 1. So what is the answer? The dy by dx is 1. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Okay, question 1 completed. Question number 2, question given f of x means y is equal to f of x equal to 3x squared is given. You have to find out dy by dx by the help of first principle. Therefore dy by dx will be how much? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula required, that everything here. After that you have to apply limit h tends to 0. This will be 3 whole into x plus h whole square minus f of x, that is 3x square divided by h. You can take 3 common, take it outside 3 as it is constant. After that limit h tends to 0, x plus h whole square is how much? X square plus 2hx plus h square, and here minus x square, because the 3 I have taken common by h. After that this x square will be cancelled, 2hx plus h square by h, this much left. Okay, let's see this side. Let us see next. Next to see 3 limit h tends to 0, 2hx plus h square by h. Take h common and that h will be cancelled here. After that limit h tends to 0, this is left 2x plus h by 1, because I have taken common here and here h, this h will be cancelled out. Now putting h equal to 0, this will be left 2x. The final answer is 6x. This is the answer. Okay, let us go next part. Question number third part, it is given y is equal to f of x equal to x cube. We have to find out derivative by first principle. The formula required for it, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now put the value of f of x and f of x plus h to how much? Limit h tends to 0, just x is replaced by x plus h, that means x plus h whole cube minus x cube by h. Just to break x plus h whole cube, this will be limit h tends to 0, x cube plus 3x square h plus 3x h square plus h cube minus x cube by h. After that this x cube will be cancelled out. From here you can take h common, that h will be cancelled here. Limit h tends to 0, take h common here, that means 3x square plus 3xh plus h square by h. After this h will be cancelled out. Now put h equal to 0 here. How much it will be? Result? The result will be 3x square. It will be 0, it will be 0. So what is the derivative of x cube? The answer is 3x square. Differentiating by the help of first principle. Let us go next part. Question number 4th part of number 1. Y equal to f of x equal to x square plus 4x. It is given, and you have to find out dy by dx, means derivative of y with respect to x, which is nothing but f dash x. It will be limit First of all, you have to write the formula required: f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula required. After that, you have to replace x is by x plus h and limit h tends to 0. This will be x plus h whole square plus 4 whole into x plus h minus f of h, which is equal to x square plus 4x by h. Now one by one you have to open the bracket just to see how much coming. Limit h tends to 0. This will be x plus h whole square means x square plus 2hx plus h square, and you open the bracket 4x plus 4h minus x square minus 4x by h. Just to see what cancel here, x square cancel here. Okay, just to see. Next to see plus 4x minus 4h cancel, minus x square plus x square cancel. What is left? From there you take h common, that is 2x left plus h, and here plus 4 divided by h. Now this h will be cancelled out. Putting h equal to 0 here, the result will be the 2x plus 4. So what is the derivative of x square plus 4x? The derivative of x square plus 4x, that is 2x plus 4. The final answer is dy by dx is equal to dy dx of x square plus 4x. Answer is 2x plus 4. This is the answer. Let us go next part. Next part, fifth part. Okay, y is equal to f of x, that is given 1 by x. You have to find out derivative. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, limit h tends to 0. What is the value of f of x plus h? This will be 1 by x plus h minus f of x means 1 by x by h. Just take LCM and simplify. It will be limit h tends to 0. This will be x minus, it will come here minus x minus h by x whole into x plus h by h. Now see, this x will be cancelled here, minus h and here h. Then finally it will be, if I put h equal to 0, the answer will be minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. Now what is the derivative of 1 by x? That is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Minus h left here and this h cancel, minus 1 by x into x square. Let us go next part.